So, being out in Oregon, I thought it was fitting that I take, can I call you a dear friend?
Of course you can.
Oh, okay, just want to make sure. A dear friend, Don Schmidt, who has one of the finest Japanese maples in the country. And we've been doing business here for many years. And I thought it fitting that Eric do a tip for us on one of his maples that your dad actually
Brought
into the mix.
Yeah.
So have at it.
So yeah, like you're saying, we brought in, over 100 different new varieties over the years to try, and this is one that we found to be most marketable out of the 100. Basically, what you're looking at here is your Kurenai jishi, which is basically your red Shishikashira. It comes out a nice maroon red. Will fade more towards purple than this model green, and then actually you can kind of see some of the new growth there. And then back in the fall, it'll turn back to an orange to red. But what you're really looking at is that body, that real full Shishikashira type plant.
Shishikashira being a lion's head.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
So yeah, basically your structuring is the same. I think, it is a little bit slower than the lion's head, but eventually we'll make a large sized tree, but it's gonna take quite a bit of time.
So ultimate height, roughly?
I think you could get it to 15 in my lifetime.
Spread 12-ish?
Yeah, it's always going to be taller than wide. It always tends to have that kind of that vase shape to it.
So we really appreciate you doing this, much against his will. But it sure is a nice break for me. So thank you, Eric.
Appreciate it.